Hey guys, Tommy Hall from Grand Design. I'm here today with Greg Cody, Product Manager of Transcend. We want to cover a few of our golden thread features with you today. For those of you that aren't familiar with what a golden thread is, it's something that we talk about, their features, their concepts at Grand Design that spread across all of our brand segments. So Greg's going to touch on about 4 of them today in this quick video. We're going to talk about graphics, we're going to talk about water drain, we're going to talk about our heated and closed underbelly, and then we're going to talk about our L brackets up front on travel trailers. So I'm going to kick it over to Greg, and he's going to kind of give us an intro on what's going on.
Perfect. So all of our graphics for all of our brands has a 5-year warranty on them against peeling, cracking, and fading. So any of that stuff for all of our brands, you have that warranty on the graphics. And the big thing's fading, especially in the sun. On there, so
and really no one else does that.
Not that I'm aware of,
right.
No.
Yeah.
So you get that peace of mind with our graphics packages on there. So.
Absolutely, yeah. And then our heated and closed underbelly across all of our brands. It's really kind of a nice feature. I know a lot of brands do that, but we kind of do some special things. Maybe you can tell us what that is.
So one, we run rail to rail. And front to back. So a lot of brands will just enclose just the water heater or whatever, but our fully from the I-beam to I-beam, left to right, front to back is fully enclosed. So all the gas line or water lines, tanks, and all that stuff is protected in there. Also gives you the smooth air for towing as well.
Nice. Okay, so that's across all brands. Talk to us a little bit about the 2-inch water drains.
So the 2-inch water drain, a lot of brands have a small water drain. Takes a long time to drain your water, especially when you're leaving the campsite. So what we did was we did a 2-inch water drain because we have bigger holding tanks. In the Transcend we have 67 gallons of fresh water. So you pull that drain and it's going to take a minute or 2 to drain all the water out there. So you're not pulling it down the road. And it also helps us get accurate weights in our PDI department when it's coming offline, because we flood test and do all the testing online. So it also allows us to get accurate weights and everything in the plant.
It's kind of convenient. Now, I don't think a lot of people think of that when they're putting something together. It's kind of a convenience thing where you're going to make sure you're getting all the water out of your tank. You're not going to store it over the winter and let it freeze and get all damaged and stuff like that. So kind of a nice feature to have. Tom, if you want to kind of drop down and look underneath there, you can actually see the drain itself. So,
and even on some of our, if it's like by the axle or the tire, we put an extender rod so it's convenient for the customer to go in there and pull that out.
Really convenient, really convenient.
And then also the blue overflow valve that you saw right beside the 2-inch drain, that's your overflow valve. So it sits on top of the tank, comes down. When your tank is filled, then you'll see the water come out of there. And when you're also filling your tank, we also put 2 gravity fills on both sides of the unit, open one of them up, and that'll allow the tank to breathe better to get more water in there and less vacuum to pull out the water. So.
Nice. Shoot up front and talk to us about where we're putting the batteries.
Cool. So one thing that we focus on is with solar becoming a big thing and bigger batteries, off the grid camping, and we've always done this, made sure that our battery rack can fit 2 Group 27 batteries in there. So we've moved it back a little bit. We'll slide these over. You can put the other one there, and then your battery bank can just grow from there, just off of what we do. If the customers want to add more batteries, they make all different kinds of contraptions that they can put their batteries on.
Pretty cool.
It's awesome.
Thanks a lot, dude. Hey, so these are a few of our features on our golden threads. Come back again later, check out some more that we'll be going over and looking over. Happy selling, and we'll talk to you soon.